So you have learned that in order to run this Python program, we'll have to open up the terminal window and run Python on Windows or Python 3 on Mac, and then app.py. This is a little bit tedious, so let me show you a shortcut. Once again, let's go to the extensions panel. Here, search for code runner. There are multiple code runners out there. The one that I'm talking about is this one with the yellow icon. So go ahead and install this and then reload VS Code. Now, instead of opening up the terminal and manually typing Python app.py, all you have to do is to press Ctrl, Alt, and N. You can see the output here. Beautiful. Just be aware that if you make any changes, you will have to save the changes before using this shortcut. Otherwise, you're going to see the old result. Now, there is a tiny problem here. So you can see this is the command that is executed to run this Python program. So by default, this command is using python-u, and here is the name of our file. If you're on Windows, that's perfectly fine. But if you're on Mac, you know that Python refers to Python 2. Here we want to change this to Python 3. This is very easy. Once again, on the top, under the code menu, let's go to Preferences, Settings. And then here, under this ... go to Open Settings.json. Now here in the search bar, type code-runner.executor map. So these are the default settings used by this code runner extension. You can see this extension supports executing code in a lot of languages like JavaScript, Java, and so on. Now, if you scroll down, here you can see Python, and in front of that, you can see the command that is used to execute Python code. We need to change this. However, we cannot change the default settings. We should change the user settings. So on the right side, after the last setting, type a comma, and then in quotes, type code-runner.executor map, and then press enter. This will automatically copy all the settings on the left side to the right side. Now we can easily change one of these. So here's Python. Let's change the command to Python 3. You only have to do this if you're on Mac. And by the way, sorry if I have mentioned Windows and Mac a few times throughout this course. That's pretty much it. We're not going to differentiate between Windows and Mac in the future. So save the changes and we're done.